James the Black Rabbit Service here, digging into the E80 Supreme, one of my favorite grinders, fastest grinder on the market. Let's go ahead and get started here. First, let's go ahead and close the bean gate and run through any residual coffee beans we have hanging out in the grind chamber. You'll notice the nice continuous button in the upper left corner of that display. And we're just going to go ahead and run through any extra beans that are in there. All right, we'll grab our trusty flathead screwdriver. We'll loosen this hopper lock screw. Pop out our hopper, set that aside. All right. Shop vac, the cornerstone of every cafe. Don't forget to check the chute. Beautiful. We'll pull out the spout or chute. Take our microfiber cloth and go ahead and give that a little wipe down. Get any particles out of the inside. Nice and clean. All right, we'll grab our trusty flathead screwdriver. We'll loosen this hopper lock screw. We'll go ahead and loosen this collar. It just pops to the side and the whole top plate comes off. We'll set that aside. Next, we're going to take out our flapper and we're going to give that a good wipe down with our microfiber. And if you're a busy cafe, you're going to want to do this probably once a day. Next, my favorite, Torx T20. We're going to loosen these top 3 screws, just loosen them. We don't have to take them all the way out. We're taking off our top burr carrier. Go ahead and pop that to the side and lift straight out. Take our grind minder or pastry brush will be just fine. We'll knock loose any residual dust or oils, any coffee cake down there that's hanging out on the burrs. And we'll do the same thing on the inside grind chamber. Let's knock loose any of that stuff that's hanging out. Coffee oils will find a way to stick to just about anything. Hit it with our trusty shop vac. Nice, clean grind chamber. Don't forget the chute. Right. Grab our microfiber, just give it a little wipe, just ensuring that we're not going to have any residual oils in there. All right, let's put the top burr carrier back in place. That notch facing forward. Slide to the side. Torx T20 screwdriver to lock those screws back in place. Not too tight, but we want to make sure it's nice and snug. We don't want to over torque it. The next person that has to do this might have something to say about it. Put that flapper back in. Go ahead and grab our top plate. Line that up just right. Slide that inner collar to the side, and then we lock in our 2 flathead screws. Back in business. Take out our screw heads. Nice and tight. Okay, now we'll put our hopper back on. Lock into place. Give it a little turn and lock in. And now we'll tighten our hopper lock screw. And we'll be back in business. Get our dust tray. Give it a little wipe down here. Make sure we get any loose dust and residual coffee grounds. There you have it, folks.